your subconscious self. That's what I am going to help you to understand this matter. Now, where is this? Okay. Do you believe that it is in yourself? Yes. Okay. If you don't believe that's inside you, we can do nothing. You understand? All the comments that you get, all the measurements, I am going to name them. One is comments that you hear. Comments that you hear. Okay? And the comparisons that you see. Comparison means you are compared one person to the other. Okay? Then the measurements that are given to you. The scales that are given to you, the cutouts that are given to you. This is another reality. All these are comparison gives you a lot of feeling in your heart, students. Okay, measurements affects your thinking, your brain, huh? Here this affects your heart. This is your ear. It affects your heart, and here it affects your brain. Now, all these things that you hear, it becomes yours when you begin to believe. When you begin to believe. Many times these things that are supposed to give you a competitive spirit. They are supposed to give you a competitive spirit. Very many times it doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. Do you know what a wonderful capacity, bundle of capacity you all are? I do not know. When I am maybe if God keeps me alive in my 70s, I might find a chief minister here, or a prime minister here, a soldier from here, a doctor from here, a wonderful human being from here, a socialist here, a journalist here, a singer here, a dancer here, an artist here. These are our talents that I spoke to you. Okay? But the most wonderful thing that is in you is your best humanness. At the end of our life, or any time of or any period of our life, what we measure is how happy am I? The person who goes to a restaurant and orders for a single meal which has maybe 70 rupees or 90 rupees. Okay, he sat down, he neatly ate the food, he or she ate the food, happily got up and went away. Another man who has a 500 rupee in his or 1000 rupees in his pocket, and he ordered for a meal and it cost 500 rupees. Was he happy with that meal? So it is not the amount of money that you spent on a particular thing. It's the amount of happiness that you obtain from what you are spending. It depends on that. Have you observed the small children? They teach us a lot. Because you observe small children, you give a child the most expensive car or a toy or something. After sometimes the car or the toy will be in one corner and you will see them outside somewhere. Bringing what? One paper of sweet paper. Okay, one blade of grass, one small thing, something that attracts them. That's over. The most expensive thing is over. Understood? Or else they must be busy with the oldest toy. The beautiful car, the toy is out there, the oldest gudiya or the smallest car is with them and they are walking around. They don't know the value of things. They don't measure. They are happy with whatever makes them happy. It can be a very, very small thing. It can be something very big. We can never measure the happiness of someone by the amount of money that you spend in anything. Yes, students. Being happy and being at peace, being contented in what you receive makes your life very, very happy, and that gives you a lot of positive energy. You need to, one way you are preparing your brain, your memory to retain all that things that you need to learn for examination. I do not minus them. You need to work every day for them. I told you, no? Do you have an aim? Towards that aim you need to work. Because if you do not work, no magic is going to happen. What you worked hard and earned in your memory, what you worked hard and earned in your memory, if they need to come out into your paper with the right measurement, what you need to have is to collect a lot of positive energy. Instead of spending a lot of time on what you hear, the comments and the comparisons that happens to us in life, do they do? Do you experience comparison? Yes or no? Always. उसका नंबर देखो, इसका नंबर देखो, उसे देखो, इसे देखो. It's very, very wrong. It's very, very wrong. Because we do not know what is going to happen next to us. There is a lot of wonderful things can happen to you. But it's in your hand. In your effort it is there. If you are a person all the time sleeping and do not work very hard with your own self, then nothing positive is going to happen. Have you done your part? Are you doing? Are you studying? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are doing. You do study. Do your study. Do you write every day?
Yes.
At least 1 hour continuously you should write. That's what you need to practice, because you lost a lot. At least 1 hour, whatever is in your head. For example, you take English. Whatever, whether they are, connected to any question or anything, that you don't worry. But check here, see that your memory flows into your hand. Then 1 hour continuously write, whatever comes to your mind. You choose your subject. Practice that. A lot of big problem because your writing speed is very low at present. Because in pre-board you will understand what's your real speed. So to get into there, you need to work hard. Then, now how to increase this positive self? Okay. One thing, remember students, to use the techniques to sieve. Do you understand sieving? When or strain, you strain. You make tea. Do you all drink tea? Do you all drink tea? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do your parents drink tea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After, when the tea is ready, do they strain the tea or straight away they start drinking? They strain the tea. This training you need to learn. That's the first thing you need to do. Understood? You know what is a strainer, na? You understand a strainer? Yes. This is a strainer. You need to learn to strain. Whatever you hear, the comparisons that you have, the measurements that you take. take only the good thing that is necessary. And the sediments that are there, throw them out. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
You need to, whatever you get from outside as well as from inside. Inside also, when you get from outside, you talk inside also. Self-talk we all do. Most of the time our self-talk is negative. Most of the time our self-talk is negative. How many times did you say, will I remember what I have to write? When did I say? When did you tell to yourself, yes, I will. I will work hard and I will. How many of you said this? Please put up your hands. How many of you said this? You are buried in your thoughts of doubts, anxieties, worries, then stress that you have. Here only all the time. How many good things? I told you to tell at least 10 good things about yourself every day. Did you tell? Did you look at the mirror and say, all is well, did I say? No, I told you to say, I am good. I am good, which means I am good because I believe it. That's why I am good. I am good because I am determined to work hard. I am good because I know, like a wonderfully prepared student, I am going to write the exam. Result can be whatever comes. That's not the measurement. The success in life. I told you not to be spider. Yes or no? Yes. The spider falls and then comes into making a wonderful web. At one go, spider never succeeds. Don't think anything that happens to you in life, whether it is failure, less mark, more marks, that is going to decide your life. Not at all true. Not at all true. We have a competitive world. To compete with the world, we need capacities. We need capacity. And are they the competitive people who have changed the society? Who have brought in something for the welfare of the society? The ones who have decided to give. They have changed the society. They have changed the society. The one who decides to bring something to the world, to the family, to your own life. You worked hard, that makes change in your life. So please increase the level of positivity every day by training all that comes from outside. For example, this morning, I am only giving you an example. Your mother or father called you and said, how long are you sleeping? It's already 7 o'clock and you are not out of bed. Morning hours you are spending on resting on the bed. Understood? Yeah. You heard this comment. Is it a positive comment or a negative comment? Negative. Who is the cause of it? Me? I am the cause of it. Why? This is training. Why is my mother telling this? It's because I have behaved so. Why I should turn to myself? Why should I turn to myself? Instead of that, we always turn to my mother. मेरे को कोई काम नहीं है. हर रोज सुबह same thing she tells. थोड़ी देर और सोने दो ना. Have you said? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, you say. So where is your attention? not only sleep, on the comment that has come on you. When your attention is on another person, nothing can be done. If the attention is on yourself, things can change. If the attention is on your own self, things can change. We always think of changing the other person. Why you cannot change the other person? Because the other person is not inside you. You are inside you. You can only change your own self. You cannot change the other person because that other person is not there with you. You can only change your own self. So stop correcting the outside world. All that you hear and feel and so on, start working on inside you. At present, what you need to do is make your subconscious self powerful by feeding in positive energy. How will you make it positive energy? Anything that what you get from outside, learn to strain them properly. Remember to drink good strained tea every day. I'm not asking you to drink tea, okay? Please don't drink. Okay? Because tea takes away your sleep, your hunger and so on. It's a very, very bad habit for growing children to get into tea. Then what happens? Learn to strain them properly. You might fail. Never mind. Learn to get up again. Remember to correct your own inner self.